Another cat was killed by the 38 code. I call it the 38 code because on the date 3/8, March 8th, 2020, we had a previous cat killed by a coyote. I made a video decoding that. And now we had another cat killed by a coyote, but this time 38 days after my birthday. There is some synchronicity going with the numbers here between the deaths of the two cats. In Gematria, death, killing, RIP, and murder all sum to 38. The cat was killed on a day leaving 73 days in the year. Sacrifice equals 73. 73 is the 21st prime number. 21 is the 6th prime number. Cat equals 6 and 21. The cat's name was Zoya. She died 140 days before the anniversary of the previous cat's death. Her name also equals 67. The previous cat died on the 68th day of the year, but only because it was a leap year. It would have been the 67th day otherwise. 67 is the 19th prime number, and the cat died on the 19th of October. The cat was a sacrifice to Lucifer the Light Bringer. My mother's first name equals 38, so that's why her cats are cursed to die by the 38 code. The first cat died on the 6th day of my mother's age. The second cat died on the 231st day of my mother's age, where 231 is the 21st triangular number. Since cat equals 6, and 3 cats have already been eaten by a coyote, that's 666, the number of the beast ritual. A long time ago we had a cat named Benny, who was also eaten by a coyote. But there is no way in hell I can remember the date. So that's 3 cats killed by a coyote now. You see how that cat tried to eat my fingers, and fingers equals 666.